So we're gonna get on the path from the Yosemite Lodge over to Swinging Bridge.
Yeah.
Okay. Say bye to them. So we're walking on the bike path. Tristan?
Yeah.
It's a little flooded.
Okay, I can't do this.
Why?
It's freezing.
Too cold?
Yes.
So what do you think of this bike path?
Cold?
It'd be hard to ride a bike through it, right? We saw a guy doing it.
I know.
It's cold. This is all snow water, that's why it's freezing. I know my feet are numb.
I can't even feel my feet.
So this will probably be the last time you ever get to do this. I mean, because normally when we come, it doesn't flood this bad, right? Never. I think it's getting shallower. There's a lot more people over there, so I think we're gonna be able to walk on regular land soon. Ready?
Yeah, this is fun.
Okay, so we're almost to the Swinging Bridge. Look at this flooding. Nothing like 97, of course, but bigger than I've ever seen. Wow, the water's directly under the bridge. So we got one more small patch of water. Hey, you want to jump off the bridge?
No.
How come?
Because it's not allowed and I would be too scared. And look at that.
Yeah, it's moving pretty swift, huh?
Yeah.
Can you see how fast it's going?
Uh-huh.
We're gonna carry you down the river pretty quick.
I know. There was like a small current, and then it was actually kind of strong.
Yeah, you get a little sense of what it's like.
Yeah. It was pushing me that way, and I actually tried to go that way.
Right.
So it was like this. I was lucky, but it was pushing me over to the side.
Right. Log that the river brought down? It's stuck there? You want to get on the log and ride it down the river and have it spinning like those loggers do?
No.
No? Why not? It looks hard?
Yeah. Kind of like Splash Mountain. And that is too.
That's the log ride? Wee-haw!